When working with tables, you might need to add or delete rows and columns. To insert a row, select a cell, select the Table Tools Layout tab, and then select Insert Above or Insert Below. Add columns the same way. Select a cell, and then select Insert Left or Insert Right. To delete a row or column, select the row or column and press Backspace. Or select a cell in the row or column, and then select an option from the Delete drop-down. In Excel, select a row or column, right-click, and select Delete. Or select a cell, and on the Home tab, select Insert or Delete, and then select an option.